Reza has obviously been a very, very important player for us. He contributes in all three departments of the game, which is invaluable playing in, especially in overseas conditions. And yeah, he will obviously be missed. But having said that, we do have quality in the side to be able to, create the best combination possible on the field for us and still be in situations or positions to win test matches. Because we have created that kind of bench strength and that kind of environment where people coming in, are seizing the opportunity and grabbing it with both hands and making sure that the team is helped by their performances. So, as much as we'll miss him, I don't think that will be a deciding factor in this series or moving forward. And he's injured, obviously, and I wish him a speedy recovery and that he comes back soon.
Thank you.
Hi Virat, you have mentioned this before as well, how mentally tough one has to be to thrive in sports. So when there's so much happening all around, some decisions are going against you, or just as you mentioned, as late as 1.5 hours before a selection call, maybe you're not quite in the right frame of mind as you'd love to be ahead of such an important tour. How do you switch off and deal with it? Like, what's your coping mechanism like?
Well, nothing can derail me from being motivated to play for India, to be prepared for a tour like this and to perform to the best of my abilities. Nothing has ever derailed and nothing can derail me from that. Yeah, a lot of things that happen on the outside are not ideal and not always how one expects them to be. But you have to understand there's only so much that you can do as an individual, and we have to keep the things in right perspective and do the things that you can as an individual in my control. So I'm very focused. I'm very mentally prepared and very excited to go to South Africa and do the best that I can for the team and make the team win.
All right, we'll move to the next question to Subhayan. Subhayan, go ahead.
Hi, Virat. Virat, I just wanted to know that now that you are a pure batter in the limited overs format, first of all, it is not easy to give up captaincy. So how do you take that one personally? And do you feel it will leave an impact on your batting as well positively?
Well, I can't comment on whether it'll leave a positive impact on my batting or not. I don't think those things anyone can predict. I have taken a lot of pride in performing as a captain as well for the team, and I've done the best that I could. I think what I know is that my motivation levels to perform for the team will not dip at all, and I will always be prepared and eager to perform in the same manner. And about captaincy, as I said, I think one thing I can say is that I've been honest to my responsibility, and I've done it to the best of my potential or whatever I could. And that I've been absolutely honest to that job. So yeah, that's my assessment of my limited overs captaincy. And the batting, look, of course, when you know you've been doing well for a long time at the international level, you know how to perform. So those things can never go away from you. And it's just about understanding your roles and understanding the situation that you're going to play in and making sure that you perform for the team.
We'll take last few. Kuntal, you can go ahead with your question, followed by Vaibhav Bhola. Kuntal. I guess we can't hear Kuntal. All right. Vaibhav Bhola, you can go ahead with your question.
विराट भाई, आपसे एक चीज पूछना चाहेंगे जो आपने क्लियर किया कि 1.5 घंटा पहले सिर्फ आपको ये बताया गया कि अब आप हिंदुस्तान के वनडे कप्तान नहीं रहने वाले हैं, लेकिन आपने तो हमेशा इस बात को क्लियर किया था कि आप 2023 तक हिंदुस्तान की कप्तानी वनडे क्रिकेट में करना चाहते हैं।
जी, ये सवाल था कि क्या
सवाल ही था, आपने तो हमेशा क्लियर किया था कि आप 2023 तक हिंदुस्तान के वनडे कप्तान रहना चाहते हैं।
जी, मतलब जब T20 कैप्टेंसी को छोड़ने की मैंने पहले बीसीसीआई से कम्युनिकेट किया, सबसे पहले मैंने बीसीसीआई को अप्रोच किया कि मेरा ये पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है, ये डिसीजन है और इन रीजंस की वजह से मैं ये करना चाहता हूं, तो उसको बहुत एक अच्छे तरीके से रिसीव किया गया। उसमें कोई ऑफेंस नहीं थी, उसमें कोई हेजिटेशन नहीं थी, उसमें मुझे ये नहीं कहा गया था कि आप T20 कैप्टनसी ना छोड़िए, बल्कि उसको बहुत अच्छे से रिसीव किया गया कि बहुत एक प्रोग्रेसिव स्टेप है और सही डायरेक्शन में है। तो उस टाइम मैंने कम्युनिकेट किया था कि जी हाँ, मैं ओडीआई और टेस्ट में कंटिन्यू करना चाहूंगा, अनलेस कि ऑफिस बेयरर्स और सिलेक्टर्स को लगे कि मुझे ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं करनी चाहिए, और ये भी मैंने कॉल पे क्लैरिफाई किया था उस टाइम पे। तो मेरा कम्युनिकेशन बीसीसीआई को क्लियर था उस टाइम से कि मैं क्या करना चाहता था, और मैंने जैसे बोला कि मैंने ये ऑप्शन भी दिया था कि अगर ऑफिस बेयरर्स और सिलेक्टर्स को लगता है कि मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए तो वो डिसीजन उनके हाथ में है।
Bhushan, you can go ahead with your question. Bhushan, if you're there. All right, Amay, if you're there. Yeah.
Captain, India played brilliantly to win their last test in South Africa and Joburg in 2018. How inspiring will those memories be for the team ahead of the upcoming series?
Sorry, I lost you.
India played brilliantly to win the last test in South Africa and Joburg in 2018. So how inspiring will those memories be for the team going ahead in the series?
We can take a lot of motivation from that, of course. I mean, we probably won in the toughest conditions on that tour. So that should give us a lot of confidence that if we have the right mindset and we start out the series with a lot of confidence and belief, we can definitely, stand up to any challenge that comes our way and take a lot of heart from it. I think South Africa is one place where we have not won a series yet. So
presenting B News app, available on Google Play and App Store. Download it now.